2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.